A renowned Zen master invited a scholar to his humble dwelling for tea. As they sat down, the master began to pour tea into the scholar's cup. However, he kept pouring even when the cup was full, causing the tea to overflow and spill onto the table. The scholar exclaimed, "Master, the cup is already full. It cannot hold any more tea." The Zen master smiled and said, "Just like this cup, your mind is already filled with preconceived notions and knowledge. If you want to learn Zen, you must first empty your cup." The scholar, struck by the master's wisdom, realized that to truly understand and absorb new teachings, he needed to let go of his preconceptions. He emptied his mind of assumptions and approached the master with an open heart and a willingness to learn. The moral of the story is that true learning and growth can only occur when we approach new experiences with a beginner's mind. By letting go of our fixed ideas and being open to different perspectives, we create space for wisdom to flow in and expand our understanding of the world.